Okay, hi, today's date is April 30th, 2020. And the city's been here a lot, I can tell, during the week. I'm not here during the week, so that's why I don't know. I can tell they've been here, and they put some more rocks along here. Make it all nice and neat. Oh no! The pond dried up. Pollywog Pond. And there's no trash along here. Somebody's been coming in and picking up the trash. I know it ain't the city. They don't do much of that. I'm the one that started it, I guess. I don't know. Okay, this is not as worn down as I thought. Because that's the original grade right there from 1977. So I was thinking that was all worn out, but no. It's fine. See how it's all powdery here? Sandy. Because the truck's been going up and down here. Along with somebody's dog. Yeah, see? They've been here. Oh, it is nice out right now. It's about 70 degrees. Sunny. Absolute perfect weather. That's the way I want it to be all year long, just like this. 70 degrees and calm. I know, I'm being a liberal. Oh, there's a little pond left. Nothing in it. It's all dirty. Another pond? It hasn't rained in weeks. Do you see anything? Look at that tiny little screen with bad eyes. You guys are probably looking at this with a big television set. Perfection! Oh, there we go. There's pollywogs. Tadpoles, I mean. Right there. They're looking good. Alright. See, now this water is directly from the street. My street. So if you got stuff living in it, then you know people aren't dumping any too much poison or fertilizers, stuff like that. Messes up the environment. Yeah, looking good. I like the looks of that. We've got bugs getting in the water. That's good. Feeds the frogs. Nice. I'm liking the looks of that. The frogs are really cool. Listen to it at night. They come out. They're really loud. That's cement all along here. What's that for? Why did they put cement there? Oh, I see. It's for the riverbed. Okay. See this whole side hillside cement. Yeah. Cement and rocks. So it doesn't wear away. Well, I wasn't expecting him. I guess there's a little fish in there for him, because that's a fisher bird right there. That bird fishes. Yep. Well, I guess he wasn't expecting me, so he didn't fly all right away. Waterfowl! Yay! Maybe that's why there's no crawdads down here. He's been eating them all. Usually there's crawdads. Well, back in the 70s there were. I don't know. I don't know about now. Yeah, there's our crawdad killer right there. Maybe not. Well, I've never seen that waterfowl down here before. Till the past since 2007. Cut away. They're feeding the birds. Dang thing wouldn't focus. Definitely need a new camera. Just I'm waiting for this one to break, you know. I was being harassed by the crow. He's putting out his scary hawk sounds. Scare away that crow. Where'd he go? Oh, over here. Getting all sneaky on me. The king of the canyon. Guess he like to hang out right in this area. Some little guy's attacking him. I wonder if that's a mockingbird. They have a tendency to be pretty brave like that. Yep, that's a mockingbird. I just heard him. He made his little mockingbird noise. Being aggressive. Dang. Beating up that hawk pretty bad. Hawk's in danger, man. Yeah, mockingbirds. The usual fate of a mockingbird is to get eaten by a cat. Because they go after house cats too. The house cats will catch them. I remember my cat caught one once. And she's sitting there trying to eat that thing. I'm like, back off. It's going to make you sick. And at first she got mad at me. I pushed her back from it. Because it's true, it just makes him sick eating that. He's a domesticated cat. He's eating proper food. He doesn't need to be eating dirty birds off the street. Rats and stuff, you know. Disgusting. Okay, that's where I got my olive trees right there, that grove of olive trees right there. Got it as a little baby. I put it in my pocket 30 years ago and planted it in my yard, and it grew. Now it's a great big gigantic monster that's taking up the whole hillside. But it never produces any olives. Well, I got no more jets and airplanes to film, so it's hawks only now, since the quarantine nonsense is still going on. There's Mock, my hero. You can spot them by their when they fly, you can see their white stripes on their wings. White stripy flight going on there. There he is, policing the joint. Big mean hawk comes around here, Mock will take care of him. Even though the hawk outweighs him by about 700%. See the hawks are over there. Just keeping an eye. Keep hiding behind the tree. Yeah, they're cool. Oh, there we go. Big old shadow right over me. Well, I've got enough hawk footage now, huh? And the flowers once again. This canyon is really nice. All the trash is picked up now. The city's maintaining the trail. It smells nice. You know, even though we're right next to a sewer, there's no sewer smell coming out of it, so usually you get that along hiking trails. It'll be a pretty awful sewer. Not here. There is one over in Del Mar that I went to. I made a video about it. I was smelling really bad. I will never go back there again. That is just so not worth it. Oh, there's a jet. Oh, shit. Whoa, look. Wow. Oh my God. So, but the parks are starting to open up now, so I'll be able to go back to all my new places that I've been wanting to go, but everything's been closed down, so. Once everybody gets back to work, gets out of my hair, quit copying what I do, you know. Because I've been off work for 2 years now. I can care less if my company shuts down. I ain't there no more. Okay, what do I want? I wanted to mention this. This is an interesting plant. That thing is tastes like black licorice. It's edible. That's a nice fresh one just now growing up. I remember chewing on that when I was a kid. You know, when you're a kid, you like stuff like that. And there, I got some trimming to do. I gotta trim all that. There he is. Oh, he got away on me. There he's up there. That's the fast one. He's a fast little booger. He's the one's catching my doves. He likes them kibble and bit doves.